just like Bob Marley said, no head to feel no pain. Whenever I hear music, I just want to go out and start editing and snapping. Well, I want to go back home, back to Haiti. I want to do expositions there for charity. Take pictures of like how the country used to look and money pictures now, and just showing people, hey, our country is, we're destroying it. Let's make it better. That's where I want to take my art, and I feel like it could take me. My name is Bianca Pierre, and